Welcome, you guys, to a new Fangirl first, which I haven't done since Kingdom Hearts. Shocking, right? I've been utterly just distraught with stuff that I have to do and keeping up with other things, and I decided today we're gonna do something a little bit different, which I couldn't wait for, because, well, I wasn't planning on doing this until later. But we are going to try out a pretty game that I've been waiting for a very long time, something that I think that me and Suro mentioned in a game that will come out shortly. Yes, playing Persona 5, which came out today, and I got the Steelbook edition because I'm a cool kid like that. It is really pretty, by the way. I didn't get the fancy Take Your Heart edition, both my boyfriend and Suro got that, and from what I've heard, this game is pretty fantastic so far, and there are people already in love with it all over the place, which I was not planning on playing this yet. Really not planning on playing this yet. But now I have no choice, but I've got to do the thing, because pretty. Oh, man. Okay, so the thing is that I have not really kept up with this game since I heard about it coming out. Well, okay, so Saro's the reason I even remember this thing was existing. I have not come out to play this game at all yet. Haven't really been looking into it too much, didn't really know much about it, and then it got delayed from, like February till today, April 5th. Well, 6th, or 4th, sorry, April 4th. It is now currently 12:57 at night, so that explains why I'm tired. And I am not, this is kind of impromptu, and I'm thirsty and dying, but yeah, pretty stuff. I wanted to play the intro because this intro is freaking gorgeous. And I'm gonna turn the sound really low on this so that the music don't show and I don't get bitched at and copyrighted and all that good shit. I don't need people making money off my videos, you know what? That's only for me, which I don't even do yet because I don't care enough. Alright, press any button. New game. I know nothing about this, by the way. The story is completely new to me. So, yeah, as far as I know, the only thing is that we are, superheroes in a way? The story is fiction. Similarities between characters or events or personas living and dead in your world are purely coincidental.
Only those who have agreed to
oh, people are reading this, okay.
Of partaking in this game.
I agree.
The contract has been sealed. The world is not as it should be. It's filled with distortion, and ruin can no longer be avoided. Those who oppose fate and desire change. From time to time, they were referred to as tricksters.
Tricksters?
You are the trickster. Now is the time to rise against the abyss of distortion.
This is weird. Okay, so I gotta mention this. I'm a huge fan of the Persona series. I started with 3, but afterwards I got Suro into it, and we both been, I have not played the first 2, unfortunately, but I plan on it very soon. Maybe not for, video game purposes, but to actually play the game. Oh, we're at a casino. Casino monies. Money, 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 money. I am a big fan of going to the casino, by the way. Alright, we have 2 here in Pittsburgh, and, I get the feeling we're gonna get to do some really fun things. Oh, the art is gorgeous! I mean, Persona's art has always been fantastic. Atlas is really great at what they do. Ooh, fancy. I know nothing about this character, I don't know who he is, I don't know anything. Okay, yeah, I'm literally gonna have to keep saying this. This is all new. I have no idea what's going on. I just know we're a thief, a robber, something like that. That's all I've got. And this guy, oh man, that mask. It was funny because Suro today on Facebook posted a picture from Arby's Facebook where obviously the person who does Arby's marketing and stuff is the biggest nerd. They've done Kingdom Hearts and stuff, they've done Gundam, they do anime, they do everything. It's so funny. Alright, so... okay!
Get running.
What?
This is our only chance.
Stay calm. You can get away now. We'll retrieve the briefcase on our end.
Oh, goodness.
What was that? worry about us. Just concentrate on getting away.
Yes.
But I have to say,
Running and
showing
jumping.
yourself above that crowd earlier was an excellent.
Okay, wow.
Nice work as always, Joker.
Oh, this is weird. Was not expecting something like this. Oh dear. I got caught. Frick.
Just run, get out of there.
Yes, ma'am.
The enemy's focus
I am running. Run, jump.
the rest of us can
This is fun.
Everyone remember where we're meeting up?
Okay. So this has got a lot of quick time event things. Well, not really quick time events, but oh. Oh.
Take him down, Joker.
What? What? Holy frick! Wow. Oh my god, that is freaking great. This looks so nice.
Comparing power levels.
Okay,
No
so
threat. Get him, Joker.
fire gun. Boom, 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 boom. I don't know what I'm doing. So I can use a persona skill? Oh, I do not want to do that. So just use melee weapon. Attack! Oh, this looks freaking oh my.
Everyone else, head to position.
Ooh, damn it. I'm gonna get used to this. Bang, 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 bang. Yeah! Oh, this is so pretty! Yeah, I've been a big fan of the PlayStation 2 Persona games. Persona 3 and Persona 4
Careful.
were really oh boy. I'm hoping there are no quick time events because I would not do so well in this.
Joker, behind you. Go through that door.
Yes, ma'am, running. Okay.
Come on, man.
I'm okay.
All right. Let's Oh my god. Oh gosh. Okay.
The intruder simply
Oh
can't be
jeez.
found.
Gotta stay away from. Okay. Oh wow. Okay, so sneaking.
What?
Oh, oh jeez. Wow. Are you sure you came this way? Understood. I will continue the search.
All right.
Ooh. Holy crap. Oh, man. I know, this is just... What?
He's not alone. Find them and kill them all.
Something wrong? The exit should be up ahead.
You're there.
That's just how it is. After that commotion, the bottom floor is completely closed off. Hey, can you make it?
Over there. There's
Confidence.
nowhere to run.
See ya.
Dude.
What a
Oh, that's
show
pretty.
off.
Really freaking pretty.
So reckless, you know that? Enemies here?
What's wrong?
These readings. It can't be.
What
Oh,
An ambush?
fuck.
Joker, can you handle this?
Joker!
Oh no.
Capture him. Let's go. Go.
Bliss, run! The cops! Away from police, bro! Oh. Oh, shit. No! Oh, buddy.
Stop struggling. Suspect secure.
Didn't expect to find some kid. You have your teammate to thank for this.
I need to put subtitles on.
Suspect confirmed. Cuff it.
Aww. Well, fuck. You tried. Getting it forever, buddy. Oh my gosh. What is going on?
Guess the drug was too strong.
I am handcuffed. And they just splash water on me. And I'm bruised in the face. Oh my god.
No dozing off.
Oh no.
You still don't get it, do you?
Give it.
Oh! No! Dude, not cool!
What? You want another shot?
What are they?
Huh? What about the camera? Are you thinking it can be used as video evidence?
What do you mean, of course not? What do you mean?
You still haven't figured it out? There are no laws here to protect criminals like you. Obstruction of justice.
I don't know.
blackmail,
Maybe there's a
defamation,
death note somewhere around here that can take care of you corrupt asshole cops.
manslaughter too.
I don't know.
Yeah? Talk about the works. To think that all those crimes were led by a punk like this.
Did I kill people? I actually killed
Seem
people?
to be enjoying every second of it.
Aww. I was enjoying it. Everything's hazy. I can't remember. Oh boy, get to select my difficulty. For those who wish to enjoy the story, if you fell in battle, you can retry as many times as you like. Note that you cannot change the difficulty once the setting is set. Choice will not affect the story. Choice will not affect the story. Oh, no choice will affect the story. I will play as easy. Or should I do normal? Yeah, we'll do normal. Fuck it. I don't want to be a
Know your
puss.
place.
I am freaking too cool, dude, for you. I almost got away, bro. Robbing a fucking casino. Come on.
Sign here. It's a
I robbed the
confession.
friggin' casino, bro. I am cooler than you will ever be. I understand, and dot 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 dot.
see. I need your
Fuck
hand
you.
to sign this, bud. I don't care if you end up losing a leg.
What? You are a motherfucker.
Don't expect to walk out of here.
Sign my name.
We are
Read my
going to
name.
make you understand. One must take full
Oh.
responsibility for their actions.
You are a motherfucking accident. Your mother should have pulled. Your dad should have pulled out. Okay. Anyways, I guess we're gonna get to put my name. My name. My name. Okay. So I'm an asshole, and literally this is the same. I always use this every single time for all of my playthroughs, and you're gonna hate me. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry, Mom. It's a pen name. You wouldn't understand. I don't like my name. Yep. Okay. I'm sorry, Mom. I'm sorry, Mom. Julie's Butthead. That's my name. Yes. I'm finished. Yes, in fact, we're gonna be eventually we'll do a Persona, we're gonna do another Persona Let's Play. If I get the chance to do my own Persona Let's Play, Julia's Butthead will be the name of all of my
I'm
people.
Nijima from the public prosecutor's office.
The prosecutor's office? What business do you have
Nijima!
here?
Oh my gosh!
Just let me through. It's urgent. There's something I need to confirm with the suspect.
Nijima-san, I
Woman
believe this
in
case is no
business
longer in your
suit.
jurisdiction. Besides,
You prosecutor signed Nijima? There's a call from your director. Hurry and get it over with.
Wasn't
to be
the-
frank, you
Wasn't
being
your
in the
uncle's
business.
name in Persona 4 Nijima?
I thought I ordered you to stand by.
Killian confirmed that, I can't remember.
I'm responsible for this case, yet I'm not even being allowed an interrogation?
I'm calling because I knew you'd bring it up.
I will not be convinced unless I confirm it for myself. This is my case.
Good luck to you then. I won't be expecting much though.
Prosecutor, I forgot to mention something.
I am a beautiful lady with pretty hair,
Your time
and
will
I
be
am
cut
sexy
short.
looking as
We can't
hell for a
permit you to
detective.
talk with
I
us
am
for
going
long.
to be friggin' amazing.
It's for your own sake. His methods are unknown. After all, we don't even know if it's safe to simply meet and speak with him.
I understand. I didn't expect it'd be you. You'll be answering my questions this time. Those bastards.
Okay.
Can you hear me? It seems you've been through a lot. Almost anything can happen here. And I can't stop them. That's why I need you to answer me honestly. I don't have much time either.
But I can help you escape.
What was your objective? Why did you cause such a major
Will you say you're gonna
incident?
help me?
I didn't think it was
was
a
my
prank from the
objective?
get-go, but I couldn't assemble a case for prosecution. It's because I couldn't figure out the method behind it.
Of course you could. Why would you want to
This
know?
isn't an issue of whether or not it can be used in court. I need to know. This is my case, after all. It seems you're coherent. When and where did you find out about that world? How is it even possible to steal another's heart? Now, tell me your account of everything. Start from the very
Wait,
beginning.
what? Excuse you? Oh, it's a story of flashback. This whole story is a flashback. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Lordy. Oh, maybe? Yeah? Ooh! Yes. As my favorite thing since... What?
This is truly an unjust game. Your chances
What?
of winning are almost none. But if my voice is reaching you, there may
So what's the
yet
point of
be
me
a
putting my
possibility
PS4
of
on then?
victory. I beg you, please overcome this game and save the world. The key to victory lies within the memories of your bonds, the truth that you and your friends grasped. It all began that day, when the game was started half a year ago. For the sake of your world's future, as well as your own,
Oh?
you must remember.
Oh my gosh. Yes, please. Let's meet up with Funky Grandpa. I like to say my yes. In fact, we're actually going to cut the game off for now. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. Please like, comment, subscribe for more RG videos like this every other day. I'll talk to you guys. Alright, bye-bye.